Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with Sylv Mac, and today we're gonna make some rack of lamb out here on my Traeger, and we're gonna smoke and grill some cauliflower. But you know what we gotta do first? Y'all better grab that glass of wine and let's get to grilling. Okay, so I did a little bit of preparation. Let me show you first the lamb. Got a beautiful rack of lamb here that I got from Whole Foods or Whole Paycheck. And I trimmed off a little bit of the fat because it comes with a pretty nice fat cap on there, and you want to trim some of that off. And it already came Frenched, meaning that they shaved off and took the fat off of the bones. Let me show you the ingredients that I used to slather on this beautiful rack of lamb. I decided to do a Moroccan style seasoning, so I used garlic, some smoked sea salt, coarse black pepper, habanero or cayenne pepper, coriander, cinnamon, cumin, and smoked paprika. And of course, mixed it all in with some olive oil, and I slathered it on the meat and kept it on there for about an hour. Okay, so that was for the lamb. For the cauliflower, I've got it here. And it's a really simple recipe. It comes out really nice. And then toward the end, I like to add some raisins to it, and I like to use the golden raisins. You can use the other raisins too. It doesn't really make a difference. And if you don't like the raisins, omit them. But the raisins with the saltiness and the smokiness, it just gives it, such a good flavor. So here are the ingredients or the spices that I used for the cauliflower. I kept this one pretty simple. I did a nice healthy dousing of some olive oil. And then I used some Badia complete seasoning, some lemon pepper, and then some fresh oregano all the way from Crete, Greece. Then I tossed it all together and sprinkled with a little bit of salt. Okay, so let's check on the lamb and the cauliflower. Ooh, that is a lot of smoke. Gonna sort of mix the cauliflower up a little bit. It's browning nicely. Let me show you. Looks good. I like mine a little more crispy. Okay, so if you like your meat rare, then you want to pull it at about 125 or so. I like mine sort of medium rare, closer in between medium rare and medium. So I'm gonna pull it at about 130 because then I know that the temperature, as you let it rest for about 5 or 10 minutes, the temperature is gonna continue to climb probably by about 5 degrees and put me in that nice medium rare temperature, which is a 135. All right, so I forgot the raisins, and these are the golden raisins, but you can use any raisins that you like. And I'm gonna put them in there now. I didn't put them in there before because they cook really fast. So, and I'm just gonna put like a handful. This is an entire head of cauliflower that I have in there. And it's just about done. And I probably will go in and let that cook for like maybe another 5 or 10 minutes because it's about ready. The cauliflower looks wonderful. The raisins are in there, and I like mine a little charred. For my vegetables, I do like them kind of crispy. If you didn't want them that crispy, then you would take them out obviously sooner. I would say though that these have probably been cooking for about 30 minutes. All right, let's check the temperature. 131, you see that? It is time to pull these lamb chops. Woo. Oh my goodness. Look how good these jokers look. All right. I'm gonna let these rest and then serve it with the cauliflower and of course a glass of wine. So look at that. Like I said, I like mine sort of medium rare plus. That Moroccan flavor is awesome. And this cauliflower, Taste that smoke. I drizzled a little lemon on there, and also on the lamb chops. Ooh! For this and the rest of my recipes, please subscribe to my channel, tell a friend, give me some thumbs up, and leave some comments. I love to hear from you. Until next time, cheers.